we need, Matthias, is we need 500 traders. Okay, we're live. Morning, Matthias.
Morning, how are you?
I'm good. Yourself?
Great, thank you.
Beautiful.
Like,
Good morning. This is Cam Johal. This is my friend Matthias, and we are Trade with Cam. So every single morning we open the London session, and every single afternoon, apart from Fridays, we open the New York session. We're live with you for 2 hours, and you can come and trade with us. We do machine learning, trade cards, which give you the setups already done for you. You don't need to be sitting here staring at charts. Every 5 minutes, you can generate your own signal, your own trade card. That's within our Telegram community, which is completely free. We don't run courses. We don't sell anything. We just are in this community of traders. My background's financial services and property, which I've done for many, many years. And I've come to the conclusion that this, by far, is the best business sector to be in. Why is that? There's no overheads, there's no employees, there's no premises, there's no sales, there's no marketing, just you and the market and a few £100. Anybody can start with £200-300. You can start this business. That's probably a night out for a family these days, right? So that's what we're here for. Matthias, what's your take on it? Why are you in this business?
to grow for my family and to help everyone to do the same for themselves. I think so.
Yeah.
You need to have your why. The first step, you need to have your why you're doing that. And if your why is strong enough, you will stick with that until you succeed. That is the resilience that you need to have. Because will be difficult days and some easy days, but especially on the beginning, you will have some challenge. You will need to stick with the plan. You will need to build that mindset. Okay, the mindset you need to build for that. You cannot skip that. First, you need to learn how to walk when you're a baby. Then you start to run. Then you start to jump, and it's the same with trading. You will need to develop that mindset. The only good thing for you now, we have done all the heavy lift for you. You will need only learn how to press the button. That is what you need to learn now.
Press the button.
Yeah.
So before we get into the what the trade card looks like, if you want all that information in your system, so not just for 4 hours a day, 23 hours a day, just click on the QR code. And does that get you into the Telegram group, Matthias?
Sorry?
Does the QR code go to the Telegram group?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, get you into the Telegram group. Pinned in the Telegram group is all the instructions, and then Matthias will put my mobile number on. WhatsApp me, and we'll get you going. We've got full support. If you've never traded before, don't worry about it. Within about a week, you'll be in a position to take signals. So that number's there. So that's all the information. If you are hanging around, if you've been hanging around, watching, thinking, shall I get involved? Now's your chance. So we make a start. So the first thing we do when we sit down is we see what the market's been doing, right? So here's the chart. This will be the day. So if you look at this is the bit that we focused on, is this bit here, these two candles here. So this green candle, that's what's happened since 11 o'clock last night when the market opens. Sydney opens the market at 11, New York closes it at 10 the following day. So as you can see, literally all of the buying of the previous day has already been engulfed. Market's going up, back up, so it could engulf all of that as well. So it just, sometimes what happens is these days just cancel each other out. One day is buying, next day is selling. Of course, there's a lot of buying and selling inside that. So the day range has been 4,423, 4,484, right? So about a $50 spread and gold is up 0.74%. So these are vital figures that you should really be looking at when you start trading. You don't have to, it's up to you. You know, at the end of the day, it's your business, but this is what a good trader will be doing. So we then go to the hours, see what's been happening. So again, I tend to go back and I want to see what's going on since market opened. So market opens again, as I said, at 11. So there it is. So it's been rising, literally, it's been buying. So we've got a couple of hours of selling now. So Europe opens around here at 7 o'clock, I believe Frankfurt opens, and London we open at 8. So then we drill down. So it's like a microscope that you're looking at the market. So that's the 5 minutes, and this is where we live, in the 1 minute and the 5 minutes. Okay, because we scalp the market, we do lots of small trades, and we make lots of small profits, all to give us that 2 to 3% a day. That's what you should be aiming for, 2 to 3%. Once you've done 2 to 3%, walk away. Yeah. It's not how much money we make, it's how much money we keep. That's really important to us. So this is what we're doing with you, and that's what happens. So I'm going to go now. I think I'll get Matthias to take you through the trade card because I've got some work to do. And then Matthias will walk you through, see what the market is telling us in terms of should we be buying, should we be selling, what should we be doing with the market now as it is. Over to you, Matthias.
Trading with cards. I refresh that I didn't update you yet. I refreshed the last 5 minutes and it's still neutral. That's why we are not doing anything. Okay, we're waiting for the right moment to go into it. I had plenty of buys since last night and this morning as well, and now right now is neutral. We are doing scalping. We are doing the 5 minutes refresh every 5 minutes. If you want something more slow, let's say more slow, you go to the 15 minutes, half an hour. You will have more time to place your trades, but we really do the 5 minute scalping on the call. We like to get in, get out, and we will guide you through it. Okay, as soon as I have a strong buy or sell, I will let you know, and we go together on that trade. Another 40 seconds, we'll be able to generate one trading card. If you don't know what trading card is, it's a card that will give you all the information for you to enter the trade. All the points, entry points, okay? A best entry point, TPs, stop loss, hard stop, the time frame, everything. The confidence on that trade, the overall setup, and machine learning score as well. Okay, we'll be able to refresh now. Ready for action. 3, 2, 1, go. Refresh yours as well. We're selling. Strong sell between 66 and 67. And press the button on the right time. I didn't have time to enter that one. I was updating you, but that was TP1 straight away. As soon as you press the button, that went to TP1. I hope so you're making profit on that one. TP1 already was a strong signal, otherwise I will not update you. TP1 64.31. I will not keep updating you the small pipet on the end of it. I will try to give you a straight number to make your life easier and my life easier as well. Okay, if it's close to 50, I will say 50. If it's close to, on that case, if it's close to 65, I will say 65. That was 64.31. Next time when I tell you, I will tell you 64.50, and that's it. And the same on the entry point. The entry point on that one was 66.50, 67.50, more or less. Don't wait for the right moment, the right number. You have to be fast. Just go for it, okay? That's TP1 already. You know what you need to do. Move your stop loss to break even and book your profits, please. Sweet tracing now. Supposed to be out of it at break even. If it retraces to your entry point, remember, scalping will be in and out. It's very simple for you. It's coming back again.
Sorry, Matthias.
Didn't touch your, if it didn't touch your break even, you're still in profit. It's going towards TP2 now. It's going towards TP2. If you didn't book profits on the first time, don't leave money on the table. Take it.
What I was going to say was that to call it a signal is an insult to the system. It's fully machine learning with millions of data points that it takes into account before it calculates the probability of either selling or buying or staying neutral. So there's only three positions that you do. You either buy, you sell, or you don't do anything. Sitting on your hands sometimes is most difficult. You can generate that signal. Just give me 1 second. I've got a phone call from my dad to take.
Yeah.
Just 1 second, Dad.
Okay, as you can see, that went to TP2. TP2. And why I'm telling you to don't rush, because now we will be able to generate a new one. Okay, we're generating a new one now. New trading card again. Another 30 seconds. Remember, every 5 minutes we are refreshing and we're getting a new trading card. If you book your TP1, TP2, well done. Let's start over now. Let's generate a new one and see if it is strong enough. Another 5, 2, 1, go for it. It's still a sell, it's still strong. It's still a sell, it's still strong. It's between 65 and 66. Stop loss at 67. Very narrow range. When you have a candle green like that, remember you need to wait a little bit and then you place your trades. Don't go like crazy, okay? If it's a down candle, then you can go straight away. But if it's a green candle right now and we are selling, we wait for the best entry. Because if it goes to stop loss, you know what you need to do. You just protect yourself. The stop loss will be closer. As you can see, that came all the top of the range. If you take that on the top of the range, absolutely fine. If it goes to stop loss, you have only 10 pips stop loss. It's very narrow. If you want to use the hard stop, it's completely up to you to have more room. But then manage your trade. You need to be responsible. When you press the button, you need to put your stop loss or hard stop, then prepare to book the profits, okay?
Well done, Mateus. That's lovely. And the way Mateus walks you through this stuff is really the value that we're providing in terms of trading with Cam. So you are literally trading with us, and you're not paying tens of thousands of pounds and sitting in a classroom. You can't learn trading in a classroom. You can learn how to do charts and Fibonacci's and resistance and support and all the rest of it. We've done all the work for you. Yeah, 70 to 80% of trading now is done by machines, and we've employed a machine to actually trade for us in terms of these trade cards that are issued. And to call it a signal would be an insult to the information that's there, right? So I'll
book your profit.
Sorry?
Book your profits, please.
Book your profits. Yeah. I'll get Mateus to show you a picture of one in a few minutes, and you'll see that how comprehensive the information is. And you need to appreciate the system that's been developed by an ex MI5 guy, cybersecurity expert. He's been on everything that if I told you his name, you could look him up very quickly. Very private guy. So he's behind this system that he built because he was seeing systems failing all the time. They were just signal systems were absolutely rubbish in comparison to what we've got here. So all good stuff.
As you can see, the price is retracing. That's why I tell you, book your profits. Scalping in and out. Don't keep waiting for TP5s. Take what you have on the table, and then if your account is big enough, then you can leave some of that to go to TP2, TP3, TP4. But right now, I want you to learn how to book the profits and take the money. Okay? We enter on the top of the range. And if you enter there, when I told you to be patient, a green candle is going up, enter on the top of the range, book the profits, and go away. Because right now, if you haven't done that, you'll be on stop loss or break even. Okay, at least break even, please. Don't be on stop loss. Now that went all the way to 67. 67 was the stop loss. If you have the hard stop will be 70. Okay, and we are on 70 now. That's hard stop as well. Don't do that. Okay, keep booking the profits. As soon as you're on the top, place your trades, book your profits, and break even. Your entry point should be your new stop loss. As you can see, the two trading cards that we have had already, I could share with you, was TP2 in one, TP1 in another one. Book your profits, guys.
Yeah, take the money off the table.
Yeah, another few seconds and we will be able to generate another one. As you can see, it's powerful, and you don't need to keep chasing the same because you have the power to generate new ones. It's not strong enough, but we had too strong green before that. That's why I'm selling now. Okay, you have the range. If you refresh, it's not strong for you as well. It's still a sell. I'm still taking that. Why? Because the two previous candle, they were strong. That's, I want to be on that one as well. Okay, I'm learning by doing, and that's the way I keep analyzing all the time. Is the way I found that is powerful. Sometimes it's 50 or 60, but even though the two previous candle was strong, I will go on that one. I went on that one. I'm on TP3 on that one already, guys. TP3, book your profits, please. Please book your profits. Stop loss at break even. That's, I'm telling you. Look, that was, the confidence was 54. The overall setup was 61, and the machine learning was 556. It's not a strong signal, but why I'm pressing the button going for that one, Why? Because you can see the range on the 1 minute straight away. It's on the top of that range, small range. You can see that because we're teaching you how to see the range. And the two previous signals, the two previous trading cards were very strong, very strong sell. That means I'm seeing the graphics, I go for it. I don't overthink. When I see the sell, I don't look those numbers, the small numbers. I will go straight away, place the trade, and book my profits. TP3 on that one, guys. TP3. Already. And it's still going down. If it's still going down, TP4 will be 62. If you go to 62 now, that will be TP4. Please tell me you're booking those profits. Move your stop loss to break even now. It's TP3 already. And don't overthink. Press the button, okay? That is the key. If you're starting now, you want to be 0.01 very safe, do that. But keep doing that. Keep booking your profits. As you can see, we're learning by doing. I learned how to take those small confidence and small scores to profits. And sometimes they are very good profits. Like yesterday, we talked like 2 TP5s and the overall score, the score direction confidence and machine learning was very low. But because we had 2 or 3 strong sells before that or strong buys, I went for it straight away. And you can see the range. And it's coming back now. I hope so you book your profits. You just need to refresh again soon. We'll be able to generate a new trading card. And please keep book those profits, okay? It's not going on break even yet, as you can see. If you booked some profit, you want to keep your stop loss at break even, you do it. If you want to move to TP1, you do it as well. The things I do is I keep my stop loss at break even. Why I don't move to TP1, TP2 now? Because I want to give room for the trade to go to more TPs. Okay, if I book my TPs on TP3 already now, the rest I can wait for TP4 or 5 or bigger than that. If I can see a potential drop, I just wait for that, okay? But then my stop loss is at break even. Okay, another 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh again. Okay, I will refresh that one with you. Maybe you can see the how I can see that trading card. Let me see if I have time. Okay, 20 seconds. As you can see there, I will be able to refresh in front of you. You cannot see the numbers really well, but you can have the overview of what you're looking for. Okay, that's TP3 again. TP3 again. As you can see, it's a strong sell. And if you went for it, please book your profits. And that is, by the way, is TP4 on not the previous trading card, but TP4 now. TP1 on that signal, as you can see, straight away you can see the numbers more or less. That is TP1. Please, guys, we're going to TP1 again. If you didn't book your profits, now you can see the trading card, how it works. TP4 on the previous, on the 30 signal, successful signal that we signal. No, I'm sorry, trading card. I keep reminding myself. Keep reminding myself. Because we have been dealing with signals for a long time, you know, it's changing the vocabulary and changing the mindset, how you approach that as well. How simple it is to press the button, refresh, and get all that. You can see that. All the way to the bottom now. As you can see, only 1 minute. We are on the bottom of that range that formed on the 1 minute. If we break it, then will be a potential TP2, TP3s, and then more TPs for the last one as well. You went to TP4 on the previous. On that one, we are on TP1. We just got TP1 on the 4th. And as you can see, it's very fast. Don't leave money there, it's very fast. Book your profits, protect your capital. We will be able to refresh again in less than 1 minute. And I can see TP1, TP2 on the first, TP1 on the second, TP4 on the third, TP1 on the fourth, and we will refresh again and having another trading card in 20 seconds. Stay with us, you'll be able to see that. Still a strong sell, still a strong sell. Refresh your and go for it. As you can see, the candle is red. I'm not waiting. If it's still green, I'll wait a little bit more. Let me see the entry points. Yep, wait for the best entry points and go for it.
So you can see the trend of the market, what it's been doing since 5:40, 5:50 this morning. So there's obviously retracement. So you can make money on the buys as well, but the system calculates the probability of where the money will be. And then, as they always say, make the trend your friend. So even if you got caught in something that where the market was rising, it's then subsequently come down. So we use the market in terms of the direction that the market's heading in at any given moment to trade. So you can trade replacement, and there are signals that come that say buy, but we feel that you're going against the trend. Look what the market's doing. Okay, so that's where we really win out on zooming in, having a desktop to see, because the real estate is just so much bigger, so you can see more of what's going on. So 3 selling hours. So why bother doing buys? Unless of course the market changes, and that's what the probability scores get to a decent place. But it's a lot easier to do this. I'm just going to mute myself because I'm a bit loud at the moment, Mateus, and I'm going to go and see the tradesman.
Yeah. Okay, guys. You can see there it's dropping now, nearly TP1. Get ready for book profits. Sometimes go very fast and sometimes not too fast. As you can see now, was hanging on the top of the, on the beginning of the range, not on the top of the range, I'm sorry, more or less, and it's dropping out. And now you're in profit. You can protect that trading already. It's not really TP1 yet, but you can protect yourself if you want. I always do that. If I'm getting out of the trade, I don't mind. It's protecting my capital. I am looking for, okay? Not quite on TP1 yet, but it's nearly there. If you want already protect yourself, do that. Don't leave money there. Just move your stop loss. TP1 now is officially TP1. You can do that. TP1. Let's go fast. Sometimes you see my head is like that. I'm looking 3 different screens to update you on the real time. I have we have here the trading view from Cam. He's sharing with you, but I have my trading view on my time frame with, I like the candles a little bit thicker and bigger. I don't need glasses yet, but I really like those candles. Soon I will need glasses for sure. I'm still doing the eye test every year. Soon I will need glasses. I'm in front of screen most of the time. I try to rest my eyes. Now I'm having eye drops. Sometimes it gets a little bit irritates my eyes. That's just because the hay fever as well I have, but even though being in front of screen all the time, I'm having that issue with my eyes. Okay, as you can see, TP1 more than TP1 now. Book your profits, please. Move your stop loss to break even. Okay, let's make that rule. Let's make that a mantra for yourself. Why? Because I want you to protect your capital. I'm telling you, protect your capital because that is your gold. If you don't have capital, you cannot place the trades, and that's why it's important to really taking care of your capital. Okay, protect it, don't over leverage, and you'll be absolutely fine. It's retracing now, but it's still on TP1. You can have your stop loss at break even at that point, at your entry point. And that, if it goes down, great. If it comes back, you are at break even. Okay, we're still selling. We're still selling. It's still a strong sell. We'll be able to generate a new trading card soon. Bear with me. As soon as we can generate, I will be doing that as well. $37. Let me know if you have any questions, if you're booking those profits with me this morning. If I will update you later on. We have TP1, TP2 on the first, TP1 on the second, TP4 on the third, TP1 on the fourth, TP1 on the fifth. On the sixth, we are right now on the fifth, because some of them were neutral, that we are not taking everything, but the ones we are taking, I will update you how many TPs that we had. Okay, it's going to break even again. It's going towards break even. That's fine, absolutely fine. You don't have any attachment. That was only TP1 for now. It's going to break even. You don't want to be placing the same trades. Remember, don't chase the same trading cards. Wait for the next one. We're scalping. We need to be precise, and we are not chasing. Okay, we are not chasing. In another minute, we'll be able to generate a new trading card. Just be with me. We will see if that is a sell or a buy. That's going to be E. Might be E. I'm out of the trade, but I'm booked profits on TP1. I'm completely fine. Okay. I want you to be doing right like that. Okay. Protect your capital. And let me zoom out a little bit what's going on the 1 minute. Let me check the 5 minutes. Okay, retracing here. Last hour is a big wick there on the hour, on the bottom to be filled if it is still going down. Okay, and it's still a wick on the top of that 1 hour as well. We need to be mindful of that. That could be changing of direction, but the last 3 hours we have been selling. Last 3 hours we have been selling. As you can see, that went all the way to the top of the range and is coming down again. Some of you still pressing the button and taking the same trading cards. Look, if you're doing that, you're having success, go for it. But I don't want you to have that habit, because we will be able to generate a new one. As you can see, it's time to do that. And then you have the right entry point again. It's still a sell. It's still a sell. The candle is going up. Remember, the candle is going up. I'm waiting and place the trade on the right time. I'm not rushing. You struggle to push up, you can press the button. It's between 64, 66, as you can see there. Let me put the date. It's between 64, 66. Stop loss on that one you saw already is nearly 67. And then TP1, 62, 60, 62, 60, 58, 55, and 52. Okay, you have all the data, you are on TP1, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. TP1, I'm on that trade as well, move your stop loss to break even. Guys, 6 trading cards, 6 successful trading. If you're not doing right, let me know why not. What is your pain point? Why you're not pressing the button? Why you're not booking the profits? Let me know, okay? Most of you are doing the right thing. I'm happy for that because we can see the results. But if you're not yet doing the right thing, let me know why. We can have a conversation. I can try to support you, help you to understand why you're not doing something you're supposed to be doing. What you need to do, book your profits and protect that trade. Move your stop loss to break even. Don't have FOMO. Don't have FOMO. And don't have greedy. Okay, fear of missing out, greedy. Those are the things that will stop you to make money. And you need to start to understand yourself and stop doing it. If you're not booking the profits, if you're not moving your stop loss to break even because you think that will go to TP5, I understand that. Fear of missing out and also the greedy. We all human beings, don't be ashamed of that. We are human beings, but when you learn, you can make more money doing the right thing, doing the mechanical approach, you'll be doing that, okay? You'll be protecting yourself and not overthink and just doing one thing. Press the button, stop loss, book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. We are on TP1, going towards TP2 now. If you didn't book your profits yet, please go for it. TP1, nearly TP2. Is breaking that pattern, guys, is breaking that TP2. Is pushing towards to break it. If it breaks it, that is a potential TP3, 4, 5. Okay, that will be a very potential big TP. That's TP2 already. And while we are talking, it's nearly time to refresh again. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's refresh again and have a new, brand new machine learning trading card. It's still a strong sell. You have the range, it's still a strong sell. Don't miss out, please. It's a dropping candle. It's a dropping candle that gives you the heads that you can place the trade straight away. It's not rectified now. Okay, let's see the range point on that one. Okay, best entries. You are on that point. It's retracing a little bit. You are on that point now. Please, guys, don't miss out. Protect yourself. You know what you need to do. It's a little bit slow now, it's not pushing. We had a big push down before that. Now it's trying to rectify that. It's absolutely fine. The only thing you need to do is, if you place the trade, put your stop loss. Okay? It will be 10, 20 pip stops. If you get stop out, I think so. That is the 7 trading cards, and we made enough for you to be able to cover that and making huge profit. Okay? Okay, it's dropping. I'm not sure about that one, guys. It's going very slow. We need a big push now. Please protect your capital, okay? Stop loss at break even if you can, or just the stop loss. It's just thinking there after the big push down, just hanging around. Come on, we want that one at least at 58 to get TP2 and TP3s. At least at 58, come on. A push down again. I'm protecting myself on that one. It's really slow there. I'm moving my stop loss to break even now. Okay, if it goes down, I will book more profits. If it comes back, I'm out at break even. Okay, guys, that small drop, TP1, please book your profits. It's going very slow, that one. Can go all the way down, but is really struggle to push down now. TP1, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. TP1 official. That was slow, but at least you got the TP1 there. And let's refresh. It's still a sell. It's still a sell. Okay. It's still a sell. You have everything there. Still a sell. Retracing now, just be careful, be mindful. We are very slow. It's not going fast like the way we want. But, yeah, it's still struggle there. As you can see on that bottom can. We went for TP1 on the last one. I will update at some point on the end of the hour. I will update how many TPs that we got, and all of them we went to TP1 at least.
Beautiful.
Guys, as you can see, it's forming that range on the top there, on the bottom. I mean, on the 1 minute. You can see on the graphic on cam. On the graphic on the screen now, you can see that. He struggled to go down. Just be mindful of that. If you enter that trade, it's very narrow entry. Place the trade and protect yourself. Stop loss straight away, okay? Put your stop loss straight away. As you can see, it's coming now to the top of the entry points, nearly on the top of the entry points. If you refresh on the right time, you will have those numbers. If you enter that now, absolutely fine. Don't overthink. Press the button and put your stop loss, okay? Because if that is a change of direction now, if that goes up, you are protect. The stop loss is not to scare you or anything like that. The stop loss is to give you direction where the market is going and also to protect yourself. We are on the top of it, on the top of that range we got. A little bit, still struggle to drop now. That's how I'm telling you, protect yourself, book your profits. Nearly finishing the hour. It's nearly finishing the hour as well. We'll be able to refresh again now. It's still strong. It's still a strong sell. It's still on that range. You can see the numbers. If you want to hold your last one, you're still on the trade. You still need to buy TP1 now. You know what you need to do. If you're in profit, move your stop loss to break even if you want already. And on that way, you protect your capital. And then you can re-enter if you have the opportunity, okay? It's going to tip towards TP1 on the previous trading card. And is on the range for the last one. Okay, nearly on TP1 as well. It's more or less the same range. More or less the same range as the previous trading card. If you are positive, you can make a call now and book some profits. If you want to wait, but don't leave the stop loss now. you can like already book some profits. It's forming, as you can see on the 1 minute, it's forming a very narrow range there. And if you struggle to push down, at some point will go down, or could be a retracement and go up all the way to 44.70, and we don't want to be on that trade if that happens, okay? Because then we are selling, will be a stop loss or hard stop for you. You don't want to be there. We want instead to go to the 70, we want that to go to 50, 44, 50. But if that doesn't happen now, you protect yourself, okay? And be grateful, book the profits, and just wait again. Look, in another few minutes will be the 1 hour. Remember the 1 hour, when we have changing hours, if I'm on the market, I will use my hard stop. Why? Because on the changing hours, sometimes we have retracements. Especially on the changing hours, we could have a retracement. If we have a retracement, you need to have a room for your trade, okay? You can use, it's the only time I'm using the hard stop. TP1, on both of them, if you place it, book your profits, okay? TP1, on both of them. It's nearly time for the hour. It's nearly time for the hour. Book your profits. Move your stop loss to break even, please. That went TP1 for now. Both of the last ones, trading cards, we went to TP1. It's more or less the same. It's more or less the same. If you place 2 trades, one for each card, you are on TP1 in both of them now. And as you can see, if you didn't book the profits, it's coming back to your entry point. You're supposed to be at break even now, okay? Break even on that one. Break even. Let's be grateful for the TP1 and call that a break even. Went to 62. The break even could be at 63 for some of you because you entered before. Nearly 63. It's not there yet, but I'm closing mine on my break even, okay? I'm happy with my 2 TP1s. Okay, another few seconds. Let's refresh. Remember, it's the hour. Transition on the hour now. Could be a retracement. Just be mindful of that. But don't be scared. Don't be afraid. If it is strong, go for it. As you can see, strong. Little bit of retracement. Went to the range. Is on the range. TP1, guys. TP1, please. You know what to do. 61, 59, 57, 54, 51. Okay, you know what to do now. Like I said, it could be a retracement now. Be mindful, as soon as you're in profit, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. And it's going all the way to the top of that range again.
Fascinating market, isn't it?
It is.
Just wanted to show the hours what's going on. So it was selling for 3 hours. Now we have a buying hour starting at 9 o'clock. And there is a lot of merit in looking at to see what the market's doing for the hour, because it does often swap around and it'll have a few hours of buying, a few hours of selling, a few hours of buying, etc.
Okay, let's call that a BE. We got TP1 on that one. It's going to break even or your stop loss if you didn't put break even, okay? That's why I'm telling you, book your profits. As soon as you're in profit, you had time, and move your stop loss to break even. Why? Because it's the 1 hour. I was telling you that could be a retracement on the hour. We need to be mindful of that, and we just had the retracement now. Okay, I hope so. You listen to me, you will get those small things. If you really listen, you're booking your profits and you'll be absolutely fine now. And soon we'll be able to refresh and get back. That's come back all the way to TP1, TP2, TP3. We don't care. You book your profits, you protect your capital. With scalping, in another few minutes we'll be able to generate a new trading card. That means we don't chase the market, okay? Just wait for the next opportunity. If it's up to break even, amazing. That means you protect your capital and you booked your profit. If it's a stop loss or hard stop or whatever, then you're not listening to me. Just pay attention, and you need to improve your skills how to approach those trading cards, okay? It's not right or wrong, it's just maybe you need to improve the way you're doing it, because from now we had 10 trading cards, 10 positive trading cards, a lot of TP1s, some of TP2s, 3s, and some of TP4s as well. Okay, I'm writing down all that information. I'm putting everything here for you to be able to see all the TPs that we had on the session, and the stop loss as well, if we go to stop loss at some point. Okay, from now we didn't have any stop loss. If you have any stop loss, it's because you're doing something wrong. You're not moving your stop loss to break even, you're not booking profits, and you need to improve that, okay, in order to be on the same page as everyone else. Booking profits and moving your stop loss at break even. Okay guys, it's a sell. As you can see, the candle is still going up. I'm waiting for the best entry, but I will go for it. Make sure you're on the trade. Okay, make sure you are on that trade. Don't overthink. As soon as you press the button, you know what to do. The first thing is put your stop loss. Okay, protect your capital. Decide where you want the stop loss, and do that always the same way. That means you're not overthinking, you're making that mechanical approach. You still on the range. You still on the range. Respect the trading card. Put your stop loss. Put your hard stop. Whatever you decide to do, put it. We didn't make TP1 yet. If you place your trades on the top of the range, if you are positive, it's time for you to book those profits and move your stop loss to break even. It's not TP1 yet, but you can do that in order to protect yourself. If you have a very good entry, you'll be in 20 pips, around 20 pips, you can do that already, okay? That's a good way to approach as well. As soon as you're in profit, good profits, like now we are in TP1. Officially TP1, book your profits. Move your stop loss to break even. I was doing that before TP1. Why? Because if that retraces and go to stop loss, I don't want to be on that trade. I want to book those profits. The money was there. Why I leave money on the table? TP1 is going towards TP2. What you need to do, guys, let us know in the comments when you are on TP1. Let me see if you're listening and learning. Now, next step, when you are TP1, what you need to do first. Before you move your stop loss to break even, you need to book those profits, okay? Then you move your stop loss to break even. He's still hanging there. It's not at break even yet. For some of you, yes. For some of you, no. But now, at least TP1, you need to have that on your pocket, okay? And move your stop loss to break even. We scalping in and out. Sometimes we'll be in for longer. Sometimes we'll be very fast. Seconds, you can be out, okay? He's still hanging there. Time to refresh. It's still a sell, not a very strong sell for me, but because we have been selling and the strong sells all the time, I will go for it. Remember what I was talking before? I will go for it without hesitation because of the previous trading cards, okay? Okay guys, TP1 again, book your profits. That's I told. I will go for it. Went, don't overthink, and book your profits. TP1. And some of those trading cards are powerful. I'm telling you, they are powerful. TP2. and TP2 on the previous as well. TP2 in both of them. If you place the two of them, the previous one and the one we just update now, both are on TP2. I'm learning, I'm doing that longer than you. When we have a lot of cells, strong cells, strong cells, strong cells, and then we have a weak one like that, those usually performing very well. That's, I'm telling you, go for it. As long as you put your stop loss straight away, go for it, because they are powerful. Yesterday we had 2 or 3 TP5s because of that. Okay, and as you can see today, TP2 is straight away, and it's nearly on TP3, that one. Okay, nearly on TP3, but don't be greedy. Book your profits. If that goes to TP3, amazing. If it's retracing and take you out, part of the game will be a break even for you, not a stop loss. Break even, okay? Please don't let that to be a stop loss or hard stop. That means needs to be break even. It's still opportunity to coming down. It's still far from the entry point. It's still far from your break even. That means we are totally hands-free here, risk-free as well. You don't need to worry now. You move your stop loss to break even. You're just checking the trading now and waiting for more TPs, okay? Waiting for more TPs. Potential TP3 now. Potential TP3 for TP3. TP3, guys. And TP3 on both of them. TP3 on both of them. The previous
Fantastic.
one.
Well done, Matthias.
TP4 now. TP4. TP4 on the last one. Book your profits, guys. TP4. Was telling you that sometimes the trading card will be not too strong, but because we haven't been selling for the last hour, go for it. Don't overthink. TP4 on that one. TP4. Don't be shy. Share on the comments if you're booking those profits, guys. Interact with us. Will be easy for us to understand where you are, what are you doing. Now you're totally risk-free. You are on TP4 already, TP3 on the previous one, and let's refresh. Yeah, as you can see, it's still a sell. It's still a sell. You have the entry points.
It's very strong there, Matthias. 77%.
Yeah, just be mindful the time you refresh. Maybe you want to use the hard stop or between stop loss and hard stop on that one, because the retracement on that was faster as well. Just to protect your capital, okay? 62. Okay, let's go for TP. Let's start to book those TPs. Okay, we have the entry. We have everything.
$64 was your stop loss. Or 64, 69.
Yeah. If you wait for enter the trade, that is a good entry. You can use your hard stop, like I said to you, is a good probability on that one. We made enough of TPs in order for you to do that. Is learning how to protect your capital and take the risk as well, okay? TP4, TP3s. And that was nearly.
And Matthias, one of the things that I would like to remind people about is the fact that if you get a signal or a probability of like that was a sell, if the candles are green, then be careful. Don't go into them. I don't enter those trades at all until it starts reversing, in which case you wouldn't have entered until you're right up here.
Yeah.
So just be careful. The machine can't see what the market's doing physically. You can.
Yeah.
So just do a sanity check. Is the market going the way that my indicators are showing, or is the market going in the opposite direction?
And we just had a TP4, a big drop as well. Just be mindful of that, okay? But wait for the best entry. On occasions like that, I wait for the best entry. Sometimes go to nearby stop loss, but then I use my hard stop. And I still enter that trade because it's a powerful sell. Was a powerful sell before, and it's still selling. But I want to take that risk because, look, we had 14 trading cards.
TP. Yeah.
No, 14 trading cards. TP is even more because TP4, 3s, and in each of them.
Yeah.
But then all the time was selling. Could be.
So what you're saying is that if it goes to the top now, what you would enter that and then put your hard stop in as your stop loss because it's only 20 pips ago, right? Yeah. Right.
That's it. I'm on that. Then I use my hard stop on that one. If I didn't enter before, if it is on my stop loss, I'm out. If it is on the stop loss, I will be out, and that's it. But because the selling was very strong for the last hour, the selling was really strong, as you can see the range. Can you see that range there? On the 1 minute, if that doesn't break the 67, the hard stop, that will go all the way to 50 something or 60. Will be a very good profit as well. Is a potential sell there, a strong sell. If it's still remaining selling market, and it's happening, you see, book your profits, guys. Book your profits. If you have done that, book your profits. If you reach the stop loss, it's 10 pips, 20 pips. It's not a big deal. The stop loss is there to protect you. Okay? But if you did what I did, put your stop loss at hard stop. The way I told you on the beginning of the trading card, I told you I will put hard stop on that one. I will put hard stop. I will go for it. I'm booking really good profits now, guys. Book profits with me.
Look at that.
Book profits with me, guys. That is by doing every day. You will get that as well. That is by doing every day. That's TP1. Move your stop loss to break even. That's TP1, but it's huge TP1 because we took that from the top of the range. The really top of the range. Okay? TP2. Nearly TP2, guys. Please tell me you're doing that. Tell me you listen to me and you're doing the same thing. If you listen to me, you will lose some trades because we are not a machine. Yeah, we are machine learning. But it's the way you approach that as well, okay? If you got a stop loss on that one, was the first stop loss on the call, okay? The first stop loss on the call was 10 or 15, tops 20 pips for you. But that's if you did the beginning of that trading card, I was updating you to do the same thing. Book your profits. I will use hard stop on that one because it's retracing. Could be retracement. I put my hard stop. I put my entry point on the top of it, and it's going all the way to TP2 already. And that for me, let me count the pips on my last one. 60. Okay, guys, that for me was 60 pips from the top of the range. And if you're still in break even, that can still drop. Okay, because the last signal I refresh was I was updating you that was a sell as well. And if that sell was not strong enough for you, when you refresh, remember what I'm saying to you. A strong sell before, go for it. And move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can, okay? Because the market is still selling. As you can see, you supposed to be TP1, nearly TP2 now. TP1, nearly TP2 on the last one. And you are nearly, if we're still dropping, will be TP3 on the previous one. Let's see if we can break that 60 now. Will be a strong sell, okay? You just hold your trade because could be a potential strong now. If it breaks that 59.60, will be a lot of TPs there for you to book. Put your stop loss at break even. Put your stop loss at break even and hold that with me if you can. Okay? Because if it breaks the 60.59, that could be a potential strong sell. Okay? Could be a potential TP3, TP4. Please listen to me and let's book some profits together. Okay? If you're out, don't have the FOMO. Don't have FOMO, fear of missing out. It's absolutely fine. If you book your profits, you did the right thing. Okay? We're just waiting for a potential drop now. If it drops, book more profits. If not, you are at break even. Okay? That is nearly TP2 on the last one. It's still a strong sell, guys. It's still a strong sell. I'm refreshing now. Just refreshing now. It's still a strong sell. You have the range. That is giving me more confidence to hold the another tradings. Okay? That's giving me the confidence to hold even more. Okay, guys, TP2 on the previous trading card. We're going towards TP1 on the last one. Okay.
Looks like a fantastic morning's trading there, Mateus. You get so excited.
What a day to count in TPs, guys. It's just one after another one. One after another one. Officially, we had one stop loss. If you listen to me, you move that stop loss to hard stop, and on that one you're supposed to be modeling TP2 now, right now, okay, instead of stop loss, for you to see the power of it. I hope so you understand and you're learning more and more and you listen to me. I will be not always right, but I try to guide you the best that I can. And as you can see today, all TPs for now.
No stop losses.
We had one. If you didn't listen,
okay.
Yeah, we had one, but on that one, on the beginning of that one, I was advising I will use my hard stop. Why? Because it's retracing. I will use my hard stop, and we went nearby. We went to the stop loss on that one, and that range. I placed the trade. I went straight away to TP2. About 60 pips on that one. 60 pips.
Superb.
It's just the patience, and you will learn by doing. And not every day you will get everything right. It's normal, but today we are getting everything right from now. Just be mindful. We are on the range on that one. We're dropping again. Book your profits as soon as you can. That will be TP1. And move your stop loss to break even, okay? As soon as you're in profit, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Remember, we are scalpers. You don't need to keep holding trade forever. You just book your profits and move your stop loss. That's a stop loss for you if you didn't book your profits, okay? It's retracing all the way back. I really hope you book your profits and move your stop loss. That's a BE for some of you and stop loss for some of you if you're not booking your profits. And let's get ready for refresh again. Remember, if that is not too strong, I will go for it straight away if it's a sell. It's still a strong sell. Just be careful, it's retracing. Be careful, it's retracing. I will use my hard stop on that one. I will use my hard stop on that one. It's retracing. As you can see, that is stop loss for you if you put your stop loss, but I'm using my hard stop, okay? You saw the candle is a strong sell, but it's going up very strong, retracing everything. I just put my hard stop. And reach my hard stop. That is the officially first stop loss, guys. That's on my hard stop. If you're still there, if you're still hanging around on your hard stop, hold it and make some profits if it drops strong now, okay? If you reach your hard stop or your stop loss, absolutely fine. That is giving you the direction. Could be a change of direction or could be a retracement all the way to 58. And if you're still there, book your profits, okay? If you're still there, book your profits. If you're not, If you had your stop loss or hard stop, absolutely fine. It's to protect you, guys. But as you can see, it's dropping like a stone again. I hope some of you still not reach your hard stop and you booking massive profits now. Please let me know in the comments if you're booking massive profits. If you had your hard stop was 20 or 30 pips, it's nothing. It's to protect yourself, okay? Because that looks like could be the time of changing direction and you need to protect yourself. Okay, that's part of the game. I had my hard stop, my first on the day, but I'm not like complaining or anything. It's giving me the direction. It's giving me protection on my capital, okay? Because if that is a breakthrough now, if we go up again to 44, we have been 44.80 on the 1 hour, as you can see. I don't want to be on selling if that is going up. That's the only thing. That's why you have your hard stop or your stop loss. But if you were still on that trade and you saw the drop and you took it, please book your profits and you should be out of it now, or at least at break even on the top, okay? And let's get ready for another one. Another 1 minute, we'll be able to generate a new one. As you can see, it's still going up. It's still going up. Could be a changing of direction now.
Yeah, could be. The Israelis and the Lebanese confirmed that they've reached ceasefire agreement.
Okay.
So that's a big stumbling block in the Iran and America situation. And if there's a meaningful ceasefire, then the oil will drop, the dollar will drop, gold will go through the roof.
That's it. Let's get ready for the new one.
We'll see 47, 4,800, perhaps even 5,000.
Yeah, absolutely. That's why we scalping. We use the stop loss, hard stop to protect us from situations like that. We don't want to go to the moon now and be in a selling without stop loss or hard stop, okay? As you can see, I don't have feelings. I reach it. Great. It's giving me heads up that could be a change of direction. As you can see, it's neutral. I will have a break. It's neutral now. I don't do anything. I just wait. Guys, if I go through, I have been updating here what we have done since the beginning of the call. I will use that time now to just update you what we have been doing. Since the beginning of the call, the first one, TP1, TP2, second one, TP1, then always when we stop the TPs, you're supposed to be at break even, okay? At break even. The third one, we went to TP4, and then we had the fourth one, TP1, 51, TP1, 61, that's TP2, 70, that's TP1 again, and 80. We went to TP1, 9 trading cards, TP1, 10 TP1, 11 TP3, 12 TP4, 13 TP3, 14 TP2, 15 TP1. Then we had the hard stop or stop loss on the 16, 17. I didn't update yet because has been neutral. The neutral for me was the entry point was between 63, 65. A stop loss 61 is a buy neutral. It's still a buy, and that is already going up, but I'm not placing that trade. Okay,
I've got
it's a
neutral on here, Matthias. Have you got neutral now?
neutral, but if you read the neutral, you can see where the market is going, because you have the parameters as well. You have the hard stop,
Yeah.
stop loss. As you can see, the market is going up now, but I'm not buying now because it's neutral. I will not go for it. Okay, but even though you can see the direction is a buy, but it's not strong. It's
Yeah,
not
be
strong
careful.
buy.
Tell
Yeah,
us where you joined us from. Say morning, say hello. There's a few of you watching, lurking around. Are you part of our community? Are you in? And do you want this information fed directly into your laptop, your phone? You know, you get these trade cards at the touch of a button, 23 hours a day, 5 days a week. So I believe you can even trade crypto with them at the weekend, if I'm not mistaken. I think there is a facility to do that.
we are developing that for everyone. Right now we have we focus in goals on weekly days. Most of them they cannot do the weekends yet. Soon will be for everyone.
Yeah, it's all coming soon.
And as you can see, that's neutral. And if you didn't wait for that one, neutral, if you went, you are in stop loss. That is neutral, guys. Don't go for it, okay? Neutral, you wait, and we just press the button again and refresh. Remember the power of it? We can refresh every 5 minutes. We scalping, refreshing every 5 minutes, and we had already 15 positive trades today. And if I count the TPs, let me see the TPs. Okay, over 30 TPs, guys. 30 TPs in 2 hours, and it's not finishing yet. 30 TPs.
Yeah,
I hope so.
incredible.
If you took 10 of those, I'm happy already for you. Okay? If you took at least 10 of those, I'm happy for you. You don't need to take all of them, but if you took at least 10 of those TPs, well done. You're doing the right thing.
I tend to trade probably between 10 and 15 trades in the day. If I'm going to be trading for the whole day, and that generally tends to get me to about 3%. And the good thing about TP1s is that you get them 90% of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, the hit rate for TP1s is absolutely incredible.
It's still a sell. It's still a sell. If you refresh now, you have your entry points. You have your entry points. You have your stop loss. Let me update that one. Candle is green. Wait a little bit. Don't rush the entry, especially when the candle is green now. Okay. And will be a fight now between buyers and sellers, because we have been all the way to the top and it's dropping now. Could be a fight there. You don't want to be on the middle of the fight. Just press the button and protect yourself. Stop loss straight away. Okay, put your stop loss straight away. And now you prepare to book your profits. If you place the trade, you put your stop loss, you prepare to take your profits, okay? Yes. Okay, we are on that range. If you refresh more or less on the same time as me, you're supposed to do. We need to refresh on the changing of candles. You have 30 seconds to refresh, okay? You're supposed to do the same thing over and over. Get the habit to do the right things on the right time, okay? You're still deciding there. You should have your stop loss in place, your entry points already, and just waiting for book your profits. And if it goes on the another direction, you protect yourself, okay? 64.50 is my stop loss. Is going there. If it goes there, we are protect, okay? If it goes there, we are protect. If it comes down, we book our profits. If it's going up, you have your stop loss. If it comes down, book your profits, okay? If you can update your screen.
Oh, sorry. My apologies.
You're just showing now, don't worry. As you can see, it's going up. My stop loss is 64.50. I will not move my stop loss to hard stop. If it goes there, it will be the second stop loss on the call. That's plenty of TPs already, guys. Don't be afraid of stop loss, okay? That's part of the game. 17 trading cards, 2 stop loss, absolutely fine. If that goes to stop loss now.
Enjoy.
He's still on the game. He's still nearly there. If it drops, amazing. If it doesn't drop, it'll be a stop loss for me. But I will wait until TP1, at least on that one. Okay? I press the button. I have my rules. I will stick with that. Remember, we're finishing the hour as well. If you refresh, you can see it will be a neutral. It's a neutral when you refresh. I'm not doing anything. If that goes to a stop loss to protect myself. If it comes down and go for my TP1 will be there. Okay. Okay, Can we have right now we have a neutral. We're just waiting now. We have a stop loss at 64.50 and we are waiting for the 60 for go to GP1. While we are waiting for that, is nearly the end of the call. If you can give us some words of wisdom. I was thinking about why the people are failing. Not only in trading life, you are very wise. If you can give us some words.
Why people are failing in life? Matthias, I can't hear you.
I've removed myself from the stage. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to ask you. So, you want to know why people fail in trading or why people fail generally?
In general, because if you're failing in trade as well, you're doing something wrong on your life as well. It's not the right mindset, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think so. Because we are on the field of trading, if you can tell why we are failing in trade, why most of people are failing in trade.
Okay, no problem. I'll do that for you. So, why do people fail at trading? There are some fundamental rules to everything that you do, and trading is no different. You can succeed at trading, but 95% of people fail. Why do they fail? Okay, lack of skills, lack of having a plan, over trading, being too greedy, wanting to get rich overnight. So, all of those things, what do they tell you? Mindset. I can teach anybody how to press a button within a week because all the hard work's actually done for you. We provide trading cards, we provide signals, whether you're selling, you're buying, whether you should stay neutral, we provide the stop losses, we provide the TPs all the way up to TP5. So all those tools are there. So what happens is that when somebody comes along, they perhaps start with a £200 account. Well, 10% is a big gain, but 10% of £200 isn't physically a lot of money. So I try and teach people to look at the percentages rather than the funds themselves. And if you want a lot of money, obviously, if you've got £100,000, 1% is £1,000, and that's a lot of money to make every day for most people. But most people don't start with £100,000; they start with £1,000, and then 1 or 2% is £10 or £20, and it's very difficult for them to get the big picture in their mind. So they start over trading, over leveraging, putting in too many trades, and end up blowing the account. Then, of course, we lay the blame on the system or the person providing the system or the signals. Well, really, we need to take some responsibility ourselves. So if you grew £1,000 by 2% every day, 20 trading days, you'd have £50,000-60,000 at the end of the year. So that effectively could be your salary that you could, if you didn't touch it all year, end up with that. And then you could start the second year trading with £40,000 or £50,000, maybe £100,000. So failing to look at the big picture is always a problem. So don't think about today, don't think about this week, think about where you could be in 3 months or 6 months or 9 months. Now, you might think that's a lot of time. But remember, those 3 months, 6 months, 9 months are going to pass anyway. You might as well have a plan. So don't be one of the people that fails, be the 3 or 4% that succeed. And it's no different in life. Trading is no different in life. And that's how it is. And that's my tuppence worth on why people, particularly in trading, fail.
Very much. Thank you, Can. That was great.
Few words of wisdom, guys. It's it's as easy as you want to make it, or it's as difficult as you want to make it. And the reasons that, in the past, Mateus and I have blown account. Don't ever think that we're sitting here and every day is profitable. Because it isn't. But no team wins every match. Yeah? No Formula One driver wins every race. So as long as you win most of the time, 70, 80, 90%, jobs are good. And we've got all the tools to allow you to do that.
While you're talking about that, I was checking on the trading as well. The trades that we hold didn't went to stop loss, went straight away to TP1. Okay, that's I'm telling you. Trusting the system, trusting your strategy, and go for it. Okay, I hope so. You book TP1, and as soon as we were able to refresh again, we had another strong sell that went to TP1 already as well. Okay, that means 18 trades, 17 of those positive. Okay, one hard stop for today. Beautiful. And the rest all positive. And I will be able to refresh again. As you can see, only 19, because some of them were neutral. We don't place any trades. Okay, we wait for the right direction.
Beautiful. Mateus, would you send me my broker link for Star Trader, please?
Star Trader, yeah.
Did I send it to you yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay, then I probably got it here on my.
But we don't stop sharing messages. Sometimes it's like
I know. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Just in case I resend to you.
Thank you. You're too kind.
But let's see. That was a strong trading card. Went to TP1, is retracing. I hope you book the profits, don't wait. Even the pattern I'm seeing on the scalping is, even when it's strong, not always goes to TP2, TP3. But when you have consecutive strong cards and you have a yellow is not too strong, some of those will go to TP3, TP4, TP5. That's I'm keeping praising the trades. If it's the same direction, okay? If it's the same direction. It's still a strong sell. It's still a strong sell. You have the numbers. If you don't have the numbers, reach out to us. You have the QR code on the top, and you can reach out to Khan as well. That is the last one for that morning session, and I will just see where we are going with that. We are on the range now. Is green, just wait for the best entry. Is green, wait for the best entry, okay? Is green the candle. We're just waiting for the best entry in order to take the most of that trading. 60. Gracias. I'm having I didn't stop this morning. My wife, she just brought me a toast.
A toast?
A toast and some fruit.
Good. She's a good woman.
She is, yeah, indeed.
Lovely. Well, I shall see you at 1 o'clock. And we're all back. We'll do it all again for the afternoon session. That's the last session for the week on Thursday. For the 1 o'clock session, we'll be here tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Thanks for joining us. Hope you took away a lot of lessons. Hope you made some money trading with us today. And our aim is to create a community of profitable traders. So our motto is trade for yourself, never buy yourself. And that's really what we're delivering here, is consistent. And Matthias is absolutely tireless in chasing those profits and encouraging you to actually book the things and book the money in your bank, which is absolutely terrific. So we hope you have a great afternoon. If you don't have access to the trade cards and you're not within our community, just reach out to us. I think perhaps the QR code. The problem with going into the Telegram group, Matthias, is that you can't actually message out of there.
Oh yeah, they can reach the. I think so. They can see the admins of the group. I'm not sure. I will have a look on that.
Yeah. So we'll just, we keep adjusting, and we keep improving what we want to do, and improving your experience of being with Trade with Cam. Because it's a true community. Without you guys, there's just me and Matthias, which is how we started, right?
Yeah, that's it.
So no more signals. We're going to close now for a couple of hours, so we get all of our stuff done, and then we're back with you at 1 o'clock for another session. And let's say we can hit another 15, 20 TPs or trades that.
Oh, that's
get 20 trade cards an hour.
Over 30 right? TPs. And you can see the last one. The last one, we had the same approach. I use the hard stop. The hard stop I'm using when the trading is going up. It's still a strong signal for sell, and the candle is going up, and that went to stop loss. And when I can see that pattern, I will tell you, use the hard stop, because then you have the probability to enter on the top of the range and get 50, 60, 70 pips. That's powerful as well, okay? And when I tell you it's green, be patient, be patient. Don't keep pressing the button straight away, okay? It's time and time. You just need to learn how to do it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Well done, Matthias. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for all of you for joining us. And we're gone for the next 3 hours, right? I hope your trading's profitable if you do that without us. And let us know what your targets are for the day, how you trade. If you want to come on stage, let us know. Want to join us? Absolutely fantastic in terms of where we want to be and where we're going. So it'd be good to see you again. Take care. Right, Matthias, you want to close us out?
Bye for now. See you at 1.
Bye for now.